Hey there, everybody. I'm going to do a Temu haul. Just got one bag. I think there's like 19 items in here, but most of them are tiny. So.
Oh!
Dude.
You're gonna get eaten!
The bird is flying everywhere. And the cat's in here, I think. She's a nut. Okay. So this was 80 cents. It is from The Office, and it is Prison Mike. It says the worst thing about prison was the Dementors. This was $2.55 with one price adjustment. It's another coloring book. Got him.
This is Prince. There it is.
Really?
Mom! Really? Yeah.
It's Bold and Easy Cozy Girl coloring book.
There we go.
I like the Bold and Easy coloring books. I don't like those tiny adult coloring books. Like the mandalas and stuff. I feel like this is like zoomed in or something, but it's not. Like it feels more close up than usual to me. It's just like cozy things like that. Like a cider, apple cider or something. So just cozy pictures.
Tickles. He's a good prince.
This was $1.04 with one price adjustment. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
No, I just went. I hurt my thumb. So he did it.
Did it? Did you bite?
He does no kind of things.
Okay, this is a mood necklace. So these are the different colors for your mood. There's like sleepy, nervous, excited, optimistic, happy, peaceful, calm, and balanced.
What about mad?
No, they're all pretty good ones. But it has a C on it for Cameron. Let's see what I am. About to touch it.
Oh, you're blue. What are
I'm
you?
calm.
You're calm. I want to see what I am. I'm also calm.
You're sleepy?
What? I'm not black.
Oh, you're nervous. Are you nervous?
No, I'm hurt.
Yeah, you're like,
I'm.
it's purple
Purple.
now, but it wasn't when you was touching it. It was like,
Hold on.
geez.
Are you ready? Whoa, hold on.
It was like black or brown. It was like greenish. So you're happy and nervous.
I'm happy.
Or is this like green and brown?
I am kind of nervous, actually.
So, got that for Cam. This is $1.81 with 3 price adjustments. Is he still on you?
Yes. He's a good boy. He just sits.
That's going for a ride.
Yeah.
He's got like a little, in the shelf thing in her closet, she made him like one of the cubbies, like a little bed house for him to like chill in.
He loves it.
And he just like,
Sits
you
there.
leave the cage open and he just like
Just
goes to his
runs in
cage
it.
when he wants to.
Yeah. He just runs in. So.
Let's see, this is
They're really
Shakinuo Clear Crystal Cheek Blush. I don't think I have my cloud. I'm just trying to find like tiny things that will fit in their advent things. And I'm like, I don't know what all to get because I don't want to get like just a bunch of jewelry and a bunch of pins. The only one that wants pins is Elena.
Huh? Princess Elena.
So the only one that wants pins is you. I'm trying to think of things to put in advent calendars. Oh, that is pretty.
I know what I like.
That is
I know what I
very
want. I know what I need.
It doesn't really have much of a scent. It's like sparkly. I didn't know it was going to be sparkly.
Buddy, you're not always going to get on my shoulder. He's biting because he wants on my shoulder. You're mean. You're mean.
You're mean.
Look at this. Mom.
Just slightly pinky. It's
You
more of
just
a finger.
Ear.
Sneezed. So, yep. Just a crystal clear blush.
He's hiding. I think he's killing himself. Or he's just trying to eat me like this.
He's chewing your hair.
What? He's not.
He's going.
He is. Right now?
No, he's just looking at your hair. He's like getting close to your hair. I think he likes the blue.
He probably thinks he's a soulmate.
This was 47 cents. This is also from The Office. And it is a stapler in Jell-O.
You're scaring me.
He's just sitting there.
I know, but he keeps on walking and it's giving me goosebumps. Put him, he did something. He's like, this is flying.
This was $2.12.
He's like, this is flying without even damaging my wings.
How would it damage his wings?
I don't know, or without making him tired.
Okay, so this is, I think it's a cat meme tarot deck or something. It's
Cat meme.
very thin compared to most of them. Full.
Yeah.
What?
I wanna, after this, I wanna look at all of them.
Magician.
I don't wanna look at them yet.
Wheel of Fortune.
Ow.
Justice. Jeez. The tower. The moon. They're cute. Judgment. Oh.
I wanna look at them. I know a bunch of cat names.
Cat memes.
Oh, that's crocodile.
This was 55 cents. And they are nail decals. Something white.
Oh my god, I love this one. This one.
They're just little bows. But they're like 3D. Like they're kind of puffed up.
It's my favorite. I'll take that one off.
The world. This one was 93 cents with one price adjustment.
What is he doing?
He was chewing your hair.
He's like dancing on me. He's like,
That's because when you move, you feel a little shaky. It is from, what's that called?
what? Let me see.
The Iron Giant.
Oh.
You are who you choose to be. These were 73 cents.
I had to fix this. He's like on my head.
There's 61 pieces. That's kind of a random number, 61. They are little ghosty stickers. Sounds cute. Got a bear and a jackal in it. I'm breeding. It's like Professor McGonagall as a ghost. It's a hurting its sheep. It's cute and simple. are cute.
Hi. No. He's living well.
Oh, look at that one. These are really cute. Cuter than anyone thought they would be. Look at that one. It goes to be a booby. Okay, I did get another coloring book. It's the Bold and Easy Cute Pairs coloring book. I thought this one was just adorable.
But
Where's Tara?
right there, backing herself.
Pancakes and syrup. Strawberries and cream. Burger and fries. Sun and moon. Coffee and donuts. Sushi and soy sauce, I assume. Ice cream cone milkshake. They're really cute. Oh, snowman hot cocoa. That's really adorable. Yeah, I had to get this one. It was just too cute.
Really?
What?
I keep on trying to keep him like right here, and he just.
You like stand up on your shoulder
I know.
and sitting on the bar.
He loves that.
This one was 32 cents with one price adjustment, and it is cow from Cow and Chicken. They also had chicken. I like cow better.
Chicken?
What? I didn't get chicken.
Hi.
One was $1.04 with one price adjustment. It is another one of those mood necklaces, but this one has an A on it. So I'm
He's
gonna pull that one
He
out.
just went in the living room on Tara's cat tree that she doesn't use, and she's furious.
And this was 90 cents. It is more nail decals.
Mom, he wants a marble cup. Should make him a marble cup. Really? On my game?
These are Lisa Frank nail decals. Love the designs, but these are kind of large. I mean, if you have long nails, like if you want to put them on like some long fake nails, they would fit well. But like these, you can see that is going to be like bigger than my thumbnail.
Dude.
So I don't know.
He's dead. He's dead for 3 seconds.
Okay, this one was 66 cents.
Say hi to the camera. He's shy.
This one is just pancakes with berries and oh, it's like a lemon. Or maybe that's like butter. Oh, I think it's butter. Berries and butter on top. Which I love. Like waffles with blueberries and whipped cream. Oh, it's so good. This was $1.19.
He's camera shy.
Mr. Paper.
And I found out today.
Adventure in the Mirror.
Tara was in Cam's room, and the bird went in there, and she just kind of looked at it. Walked out.
This says Mr. Paper playing cards retro style. Adventure in the Mirror. They're supposed to be Alice in Wonderland.
Do I say paper?
So I can't actually use Alice in Wonderland or it'll be like copyright or something. Let's see.
He's in his cage.
Okay, so they are Alice in Wonderland. It's like Red Queen. I guess that's Alice. And like the numbers are just like this. So the ace is the rabbit. King is Cheshire Cat with Alice. The rabbit with a pocket watch. Ace. And like the red is this. Oh, so the different suits are different. It's kind of creepy. What?
I'm gonna go see if Shaw's down there, okay?
I don't think so. I didn't see any cars. I mean, you can go. I don't care. They're really cute. So she is in her armor. So, yeah, they're really cute. I just like cards. Like just all kinds of cards. I like playing cards and tarot cards. I don't know. Just love decks of cards. This was 90 cents. This one's also from The Office. It says, I think I made the right choice. So it's the teapot that has the note in it. You have to watch The Office to know what I'm talking about. This was $4.48 with one price adjustment. Danny! So it is a bag. It is rather cheap filling. It's just white bow bag. I don't like the straps. If it wasn't for the straps, it would be alright. But the straps make it feel very cheap. It does have the magnetic, like, thing, but even that feels kind of cheap. It has no pockets or anything in there. I mean, for $4, what do you really expect? $4 new. So. I don't know about this one. 48 cents for this one. Keep opinions to yourselves. It says make America great again. Wish somebody would. I don't know if any of the ones that are in there are gonna do much good, but I wish somebody would. Okay, this was $6.32. If you hear that noise, that is Danny eating terrace food. She is the loudest eater, and she like moves a bowl everywhere, like all over. Like even on the porch, the bowls that I have out there are like stone. Like they're made of solid like stone. They're heavy. And she still moves all over the place. So. But this is an advent calendar for Kit Kats. So it's got 24 little treats for kitty cats. So like you can hear like things with bells and just different toys. And Danny, come here. Danny. This is pretty kitty cat, probably Tara. Well, I don't know, probably for all of them, it just depends. Tara doesn't play with much except for like hair ties and socks. She doesn't play with like actual toys. But the ones outside like toys. You're so loud. So, yeah, we'll probably just give them to all of them to play with. Do you want Christmas presents? Huh? Do you want Christmas presents? That is it. This is kind of like, right here, I don't know if you can see it. It's like ripped. Like the cardboard inside is ripped. Other than that, it's good.
that yours?
No, it's for kitty cats. It's got like kitty toys.
What?
That's it for today. I have a few things on the way still, I think. I don't even know. I might have like one order left on the way. I haven't really been ordering anything. So, I don't know. But thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe. Bye.